Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna be installing these, I dropped it, these Kuryakan brake and clutch lever, the gloss black ones, which should look a lot better than the chrome ones, and if you don't like chrome. I'm not a big fan of chrome, so I'm taking off the bike step by step. So this should be a pretty easy installation. They give you a big instruction manual here with a bunch of pictures and stuff. So I'm just gonna follow these steps and film everything, and that way if you don't want to read the instructions, you can just watch this video and follow along. Let's get to going. All right, we are starting with the brake side first. Took our screwdriver in here, put this under here, and we just start unturning stuff, or disassembling stuff, whatever. So we got the nut off now. I think we just unscrew this maybe? Yeah, now we can unscrew this. Okay. Now we can take this piece out. Just remember where it's sitting, just like that. Take that out. So this is the black one right next to the chrome one. As you see, it's like an exact match, 100%, except for the end, which is not, doesn't have the little flange or whatever you would call it. That's the different ends right there. I like this better though. All right, so now we take it and just slip it in just like that. We're gonna put this pin down through there, like that. We got a screw, a bunch of screwing to do. That's what she said. Boom, screwed in, take our nut, throw it back on there. And you tighten it up. And that finishes the brake side. All right, we got our screwdriver in. We are now gonna loosen this bottom nut up. We screwdriver the rest off. Just take this screw out. So this one might be a little trickier. Well, that was a pain in the fucking ass. And I wasn't recording, let me try to recreate that. So I just like pulled this out and then slid this out. All right, I have an idea to make it easier on myself. I'm going to loosen up this thing right here. Move it around a little bit, move it this way. Give me some space, you know, to kind of get this in there. Now we should be able to take that, put it in there. Then we can put this part into there, like so. And then we can just kind of vault this around. Perfect. Boom. So easy. And all right, now we just screw this piece in right here, get it going in there. And then the little bottom nut right here. And we adjust this back down to where it was, and we're golden. So that was fairly simple. I think it makes the bike look a lot better. Next, I need to figure out how to de-chrome this stuff right here, the fork tubes, and then we'll go from there. Also, I'm gonna link down below where to buy these at. You can get them on Amazon for like 80, 90 bucks, something like that for the pair. Super steal. But yeah, this has been another episode in the Scout Project. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.